Welcome to Quiz Splash. Hey quiz lovers, welcome to Quiz Splash, where tricky questions meet non-stop fun, where legendary landmarks, luxury destinations, and world-famous icons flash on your screen. Hit like, subscribe to Quiz Splash, and comment your score below. Let's dive in! France. Magnifique. Well done. Get ready for the next challenge. UAE. Burj level accuracy. Great job. Eyes up for what's coming next. USA. Stars, stripes, and a perfect guess. Things are warming up now. Stay focused. Italy. Bellissimo, you nailed it. Can you keep the streak alive? Egypt. Pyramid perfect answer. Let's turn up the difficulty a little. United Kingdom. Royal level guessing time to test your landmark knowledge again. Singapore. Luxury skyline, luxury brain, another iconic place is on the way. Japan. Razor-sharp thinking, here comes a fresh challenge for you. Australia. Down, under, and on point, don't blink. The next one's tricky. Switzerland. Clean, classy, and correct. Let's see how sharp you really are. India. Timeless and iconic, focus up. The next landmark awaits. Turkey. Right on target. Can you spot the next country just as fast? Brazil. Carnival level energy. Keep that momentum going. Russia. Strong and confident guess. Let's raise the stakes a bit. Spain. Olé. That was spot on. Another famous landmark is coming in hot. China. Great wall of knowledge. Right there. Ready for the next reveal? Canada. Cool and correct. Stay locked in for what's next. Thailand. Golden answer. Can you handle another iconic destination? Germany. Precision guessing your geography skills are being tested again. Saudi Arabia. Massive landmark and a massive win. Things are getting tougher now. Indonesia. Island level accuracy stays sharp. The next one won't be easy. South Korea. Sleek and smart time to prove your global knowledge again. Austria. Classical perfection, watch closely, the next clue is coming. Greece. Ancient but accurate. Let's see if history helps you again. Mexico. Spicy guess and totally correct. Another challenge is loading. Qatar. Luxury landmark spotted. Can you spot the next one just as fast? Denmark. Clean Scandinavian win, focus up. A new country is on the way. Netherlands. Windmill-powered thinking, don't lose that rhythm now. Finland. Ice-cold accuracy. This next one might surprise you. South Africa. Powerful guess and expert-level thinking. Let's see how deep your knowledge goes. Portugal. Smooth and correct. Another famous landmark is about to appear. Vietnam. Sharp eyes on that one. Stay alert for the next reveal. Hungary. Nicely spotted. Can you keep the correct streak alive? Czech Republic. Castle class answer, get ready for another iconic site. Peru. Ancient history meets a great guest time for a fresh challenge. Morocco. Exotic and exact, can you travel the world one more time? Chile! Long country and a quick answer. Let's keep moving. Ireland! Emerald level guessing, another global icon is coming up. Belgium! Sweet success, stay focused, you're doing great. Iceland! Ice cold and correct, brace yourself for the next landmark. Malaysia! Skyline spotted. Can you recognize what's coming next? Jordan! Petra Perfect memory history fans should enjoy this one. Cambodia! Temple level focus, don't look away now. Philippines! Island instincts kicking in, let's test them again. New Zealand? Scenic and smart, another destination is about to drop. Luxembourg. Rare but absolutely right. Keep that sharp thinking going. Malta. Tiny country, big brain. This next one is sneaky. Sri Lanka. Teardrop Island nailed one more challenge coming up. Maldives. Luxury paradise unlocked, final test ahead. Give it your best. Monaco. Absolute luxury legend. That's it for today's adventure on Quiz Splash. How far did your explorer skills take you? Drop your score in the comments, subscribe for more world travel quizzes, and get ready for the next splash of fun coming your way.